Hi there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and replace a water shutoff valve like a pro. Whether you're dealing with a leaky valve or upgrading to something better, this step-by-step guide will make it super simple. Let's dive in. Tools and materials: adjustable wrench, pipe cutter, Teflon tape, bucket, and pliers. New water shutoff valve, possibly pipe fittings or a compression sleeve. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Now, before we get started, safety is key. Turn off the main water supply. You don't want a mini flood in your house. Open the faucet nearest to the valve to relieve any pressure and drain excess water. Step 2. Removing the old valve. Next, let's remove the old valve. If it's attached with a compression fitting, use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut while holding the valve steady. If it's soldered on, you'll need a pipe cutter to carefully cut it off. Make sure to clean up any rough edges with an emery cloth for a snug fit. Step 3. Installing the new valve. Now it's time for the star of the show: installing the new valve. Wrap the threads of the pipe with Teflon tape for a watertight seal. Then, slide the new valve onto the pipe and tighten the compression nut or secure the solder joint. If you're using a soldering method, hand tighten first, then give it a final turn with the wrench. Don't overdo it, you want it snug, not cracked. Step for testing for leaks. Now, let's test our work. Slowly turn the main water supply back on and check for leaks. If you see any drips, tighten the connection slightly. If all is dry, congratulations! You've just replaced a water shutoff valve like a pro. Before you go, a few extra tips. 1. Replace valves with durable metal ones for long-lasting performance. 2. If you're replacing multiple valves, tackle one at a time to avoid confusion. 3. Keep a spare shutoff valve in your toolbox for emergencies. And remember, regular maintenance like turning the valves on and off occasionally can prevent them from seizing up over time. And that's it. Installing and replacing a water shutoff valve is easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my DIY tips. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy plumbing!